Okay, I've been waiting to share this, but I got a WAZER machine. I'm so excited about this tool. There are so many cool things I can do with it with regards to my glass and outside of glass, just like sheet metal and stuff like that. So it helped me set it up. So I left him here while I played around on the computer, learning how to use the software. The first run you do here is just kind of like a test run, and you use one of their patterns. We just chose like a tool to cut out of aluminum. It is so cool, you guys. I've learned so much in the past month just trying to like navigate the machine and really getting more comfortable using the technology. But they make it kind of easy because like this little screen on the top where my husband's touching, it tells you what to do step by step. So yeah, over the next couple months, I'm going to show you all of the cool things I've done with this WAZER machine with my glass. So you'll get to see me kind of struggle and learn and do some cool things I wouldn't be able to do. I figured while I'm sitting here watching my daughter take writing lessons, I can just go ahead and get some WAZER files created. So this is really simple. I'm just having the machine cut out a bunch of hexagons to make honeycomb bookends and sun catchers. So I load it all onto the drive and put it into the machine after I created it in the software, and the machine's just gonna run it here. I did multiple runs of this on different colored amber glass, as you can see here, and now we just pop it all out and it's ready to be soldered in. All right, with the school year wrapping up, I thought I would show you guys how I made a large quantity of these teacher appreciation gifts. Now, whenever I have to make a large quantity of small things, you know, I'm gonna bring out the WAZER machine for it. It gets the cutting done, and all of these little fine details, like that little shine on the apple, which I could have never cut out by hand. So I just uploaded a really simple apple pattern to the WAZER machine, and then step away while it runs it all on the glass that I put in. We obviously went with a really bright red transparent glass for the apple, and cute little green leaves to attach. I'm gonna wrap everything in hobby cane to connect it all and then solder it together. But I realized here I did not make nearly enough. Once I saw them come out, I was like, these are cute. I'm gonna need to make even more to sell. So I went back and did another run with the same file. So again, super easy. You just hit go and it does all of the work for you. So I'm just popping them all out here. And again, I'm gonna wrap them all in hobby cane next and solder them together to get this cute little apple. I ended up attaching like a little enamel pencil to it. Another just nod to our teachers and all the hard work that they do.